Class 9, Chapter 1, Example Sum 1.19. If A and B two sets are given, right, B, E, F, G and C, E, G, H, then verify the commutative property of union and intersection. First we want to know that what is the union and intersection of commutative property. That is A union B is equal to B union A is the union, and intersection A intersection B is equal to B intersection A is the commutative property. First we find the first Roman number. In LHS set we want to find out what is A union B. The set A is, right, and then union of what is the set B is, right. Now you have to write the union. Union means we know that is all the terms, right, not repeated. So all together but not repeated, that is union. So first set as it is we have to write, and then see the second set C is not right, so write that C, and E, G is already have written, so H. So this is A union B. Now we want to find out what is B union A. What is the B union A? B set is E, G, H, and then union of A set B, E, F, G. Union means all together again. I write the first set as it is C, E, G, H, and then B is not written, so we write it. E is already here, and F is not written, so F, and G is already written. Now check these two equations, right? Equation 1 we take it as equation number 2. Check this to you. B is here, and E, F, and G, H and C, all the elements are equal. Therefore A union B is equal to B union A. The commutative property is always true, right? Next we see the intersection. Next we see the intersection portion. A intersection B, this is A set and this is B set. Intersection means we have to write down the common elements, right? What are the elements common in between the two sets? E, G, that is the common elements, right? So E and G is the common between A and B. Now we have to find out B intersection A. So first say write the B set intersection of A set, right, and then the common is E and G. So here also these two are equal, so A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. The intersection of commutative property is always true. See next example sum 1.20. If A, B and C three sets are given, we want to verify that A intersection of B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C, right? Associative property. Here we have three sets. Associative property of intersection. All the elements are intersection, right? Let's see the solution. So this is the associative property, right? First we have to take LHS side. In LHS side, inside the bracket we have to find out first what is B intersection C. In LHS side, inside the bracket B intersection C is there inside the bracket. So the B set is given as 0, 1, 4, sorry 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2 and then 5 by 2. Intersection of the C set is given as minus 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 2 and then 1, 2 and then 5 by 2, right? We want to find the common terms in between B and C. What is the common elements between B and C is 1 by 4 is the common, and then 2 is common, and then 5 by 2. So 1 by 4, 2, 5 by 2. This is the common elements for both B and C. Next, overall let's say A intersection of B intersection C. So the A set is given as minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2. Intersection of B intersection C we have find out 1 by 4, 2, 5 by 2. Next, here also we have the intersection portion, right? The common elements between these two sets is 1 by 4 is common and then number 2 is common. So 1 by 4, 2, right? LHS is over. Now we take the RHS side. Again in RHS side, first we have to find out inside the bracket elements only. That is A intersection B. The set of A is minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4 and then 2. Intersection of the set of B is 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2, 5 by 2. Again intersection, we have to find the common elements between these two sets. See, minus 1 by 2 is not there, 0 and then 1 by 4 and then 3 by 4 and then 2. These are the common elements in between A and B. 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4 and then 2. Next we have to find out A intersection B intersection C, right? Total RHS, right? A intersection B intersection of C is equal to A intersection B. We have find out that this is the A intersection B. Intersection of the C set is, what is C? See that minus 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1, 2 and then 5 by 2, right? So in between these two have the common elements, means that is 1 by 4, 2. These two elements only the common elements, 1 by 4 comma 2. Now take this equation number 2, we take this equation number 1, or otherwise LHS. See, the LHS is 1 by 4, 2 and then RHS is 1 by 4 comma 2. So from equation 1 and 2, A intersection of B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. Thank you, students.